Alright, so what we're doing today is we're taking information from Windows Azure and we're going to display it onto our application. So the first step I took was that I deleted the label box that I had in my previous application and replaced it with a list view box. It's right here, and it is named list view because I'm extremely uncreative. Alright, so after you've done that, your next step is to go into your code and create a completely new method, and it will look like this. I named mine refresh because that's pretty much what it does. It takes this and the collection view from item, which is associated with the table that you have already set up on Azure, and puts it into a new kind of variable. You then need to take that item, which is the next step, and put it in a list fashion, so you're converting it into something that the list view box can read, and you're putting that into a variable as well, and you're titling it results. And then from there, all you have to do is just take the list view and say that this thing called results is what I want in my item source box, which is what will display your information. Okay. So now that we have this item box completed, we need it's not going to do anything yet. We need it to go and get the information. So there are two places where we're going to put this method. The first is on the main page, and we're going to put it right here. And so when our page initializes, what this will do is it will bring all the information from your table on your mobile service into your application. The next place you want to put it is right at the bottom of your button or your checkbox or whatever you're using to refresh the list that you're creating. Alright, so what this will do is that every time you add an item to your item box, it will take that information, shoot it to the Windows Azure table, and then it will refresh your list view box with the current information that is inside of it. So let's take a look at that. Now, heads up, I haven't quite figured out how to convert the data into a specific item in the item table, so it currently reads app.app14 or something. And there it is. And now if you decide you want to add something to this, because I can't spell items, it will then go out and get that information and add it. Alright, well that's all I have for this week. Next week I will finish this tutorial by showing you how to get the actual words into the list view box. Thanks for listening.